Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we are going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Contact Plus Action Automation for Workflow in your sub account. Once you're in your sub account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app. Be at the sub account view and you click on Install. Then you click on Allow and Install. There you go. Once your app has been installed, refresh your tab and you scroll down to the custom page. Click on the custom page and the app interface is going to pop up where we'll have access to the documentation link. We'll have access to the Smart Queue tutorial video that is going to guide us on how to get the necessary credentials of the app. We have the app set here. The app has not been set up. No worries. We are going to walk you through on how to set up your app. Copy the redirect URL and head to the account which we've already created online. Click on my address book. Click on the settings. Click on the developer and you click on new app. You give the name of the app, sample part, you give a short description, you give an information concerning the app, and you paste your redirect URL here. Then you click on create app. Your client ID is going to pop up. Copy your client ID, head to your sub account, click on start setup and paste. You copy the secret key, head to your sub account and you paste. Head back to your app and you click close. Then you click on complete setup. There you go. Your app will be successfully set up. Click on authorize and your app will be set up and connected successfully. We have a support center where you will be able to create a ticket for our support team and as well book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you will get notifications about the new updates and some changes concerning the app. And to receive these notifications, toggle on the notification button, insert your email, and you click on the subscribe button. There you go. You've learned how to install and set up your app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And remember, our team is available 24/7 to give you extra guide. Thanks so much for watching.